Want to make your Discord profile pop like never before? Let's dive into making your avatar a moving masterpiece. First, know that for animated profile pictures, you'll typically need Discord Nitro. This is Discord's premium subscription service, which unlocks a host of features, including animated avatars. If you're already a Nitro subscriber, you're golden. Head over to your user settings. You can usually find this by clicking the gear icon in the bottom left corner of your Discord window. Within user settings, navigate to the user profile section. This is where all your profile customization happens. Here's the magic part. You'll see an option to change avatar. Click on this now. Instead of a static image, you'll be able to upload an animated file. The most common and widely supported file type for animated avatars is a GIF. Make sure your GIF is optimized for size and quality. For best results, aim for square dimensions around 128 by 128 or 256 by 256 pixels. Keep the file size reasonable to ensure it loads smoothly for everyone. Need a killer animation? Websites like Giphy or Tenor offer a vast library of free GIFs you can search and download. Look for something that reflects your personality or interests. Once you've selected your animated GIF, upload it, confirm the changes. And just like that, your Discord profile will be animated and unforgettable. Stand out from the crowd and give your Discord presence that extra sparkle. Happy animating!